like construction workers in Japan. That's what these pants remind me of. Like mac and cheese powder on my shoe because I spilled it on my shoe this weekend and I never cleaned it off. I'm kind of here for it, okay? Okay. Yeah, and they're like, deep. Just like random things. But then I'm like, should I wear this to a hair appointment? Like, that doesn't make sense, girlfriend. Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. This is a completely different style video than I've ever done on my channel before, but I really love my style of like girl talk get readies with me, where I basically just get ready and just talk to you about random things in life or about what I'm using or whatever, but it's not like a formal like tutorial. So I figured, I used to do outfits of the week all the time. They were some of my most loved videos, but honestly, they're just not as practical for me now. But I know that I could do like a get dressed with me once a week where I just kind of put together an outfit, trial and error. I have an idea of what I'm thinking I want to wear, but it's not like 100% finished. So we're gonna try out some different things. I'm gonna be pulling pieces that I feel like I don't wear all the time, or pieces that are new that I want to show how to style, whatnot, and tell you where I'm going and why I'm wearing it and why I'm choosing it and all the fun stuff. But basically just a chatty get dressed with me. I don't know. I think it's fun. So let's go ahead and dive in. If you like this video, please let me know. Give me feedback. Let me know what you think. Yeah, in the comments down below, I would love to kind of hear your all's thoughts about this, because it's trial and error, but I think it'll be a fun way to just show my personality a little bit more to you guys and just kind of talk you through different things. So let's get into it. First things first, I'm doing nothing with my hair because I'm going to get my hair done today, which Lord needs it. Like, look at these roots. I did a half highlight back in, I don't even know, October, maybe? I'm not sure. But as you can tell, the roots need, maybe November, need to be done. And we leave for Mexico in February, so I wanted to have like fresh hair. And then I'm also gonna get it cut a little bit more. I was debating if I wanted to keep it or like grow it back out, but there's like piece of paper floating through the air right now. But I've decided I'm gonna keep it short. So let's get this out of my way for now, because it's gonna drive me nuts. So yeah, nothing matters about the hair because, like I said, it's getting done. Makeup, simple, everyday makeup. Let's go ahead and get dressed, shall we? I didn't really think about how I'm gonna like actually get dressed. But I was thinking these are a pair of like Zara wide leg jeans that I love. I'm pretty sure they still have them in a bunch of different colors. They're like a staple jean for them. I love these. They're so cute. I just never reach for them, and I especially don't reach for them anytime when it's cold. I will wear these like spring, summertime. But I just feel like I don't wear them as much, but they're so cute. I can't remember the name of them, but I love the back pocket detail. They cinch you in super like high at the waist. They don't have any front pockets, and then they're kind of like a wide leg cropped jean at the bottom that's unfinished. So yeah, let's pop these on and see. And then I have two different tops that I'm thinking, I know we all know how much you either love the sweater over the shoulder or you don't. It's like sunny out for the first time in like a month, it feels like. So I'm kind of taking advantage of the fact that it's a little bit warm. So I'm either gonna wear this as my base layer with this over the shoulders, or this as my base layer with this over the shoulders. I'm thinking I like these colors together. And then I'm gonna go in with my Converse, I think. That's the biggest thing with these pants, is like I just don't know which shoes to wear with them. So I'm gonna try my high top Converse and see, because every other time I've always worn my like Birkenstock clogs or sandals. So we'll try these and see how it looks. If not, we'll go back to the drawing board. So let's go ahead and start the process. Ooh. This is my base layer, so let's pop that on. I don't know if they still have it, but if they do, it's so cute and you need it. Okay, so this is base layer number one. Let's put on these jeans and see what we think. Something reminds me of, if you've ever been to Japan or even seen the like construction workers in Japan. I'll leave a picture here so you can kind of see. That's what these pants remind me of. I love them. I feel like even though I've been more intentional with what I'm buying, I still end up every once in a while with things that I just like fully don't know how to style. And like I said, I love them in the summer, springtime, but ooh, okay. So that's what these look like. They're just, like I said, sleek in the front. They're really stretchy and comfy. Back pocket details. And I think that's super cute. There is a belt loop. So yeah, that's what we're looking like with that. I feel like this looks a little bulky, but cute. Okay, now let's try on the shoes and see what we think with the shoes. And try it out and see. I like right and left socks. Do you think those even matter? I'm still on the fence if they actually like do anything different. Probably not, because mine are from Amazon, but it's fine. I feel like I wear these Converse like literally all the time. They're my favorite, but I'm so excited to get my hair done. There's just something about like a fresh, can you even see me? Let's zoom you down. Like a fresh hair to like just make you feel like yourself again, even though you're, this is myself. You know what I mean. All right, let's try one sneaker and see. I don't know. I feel like they're, like it's okay. It's just not my favorite look. I think that and I've worn these jeans before. They just have creases in them because they've been folded in my thing forever. I feel like they're flattering because they like kind of make you go in and then they like go out. I think we're gonna keep them up. Okay, I feel like the Converse make it look a little bit more like tomboy and such, but I'm feeling it. All right, let's try the other sneaker and then let's finish the outfit. Oh, okay. How often do y'all get your hair done? I'm curious. I probably should get my hair done more often, but I feel like I just hate spending money on things that I have to get done. And I've been spoiled for so long. My mom always did my hair. And I went to school in Florida, so I felt like the sun naturally lightened my hair. And as you get older, your hair just gets darker, I swear. In my opinion anyways, till it goes gray. I also have like mac and cheese powder on my shoe because I spilled it on my shoe this weekend and I never cleaned it off. Okay, they're cute. Is it my favorite? No, but it's kind of cute. I'm kind of here for it, okay? Okay, let's go with some jewelry now and accessories. I love this. I think it's MVMT watch. I'm contemplating getting another one. This mixed metal just really goes with like everything. I enjoy it very much so. Go with my ring, my other ring. And then I saw on TikTok the other day that these are apparently like a dupe for the Bottega, whatever, earrings. I like them because they're like really thick. Honestly, I probably shouldn't be wearing those big earrings to go get my hair done, but they're cute. Is anybody dying, if you're on TikTok or Instagram or whatever, about the girls who like do a parody of like dupes? Because everybody calls everything a dupe nowadays. Like everything's a dupe, right? So it's like they like go to like TJ Maxx or something. Oh, I need to cut these strings. And they're like or Target, and they're like a dupe, just like random things. And I think it's hilarious. Okay. I'm just not that funny, which is why I think those videos are funny, because I'm like, I'm not funny, so I'll enjoy their funniness. Okay, this works. I think it's cute. If you don't like sweater over the shoulder, I totally get it, but I do. But then I'm like, should I wear this to a hair appointment? Like, that doesn't make sense, girlfriend. But I kind of like need to, because I don't have a third color in my outfit. I'm gonna wear this little jacket from Boohoo. Oh, this could be just it, because it's like black and white with the blue. This could work. Maybe I don't need the sweater. I mean, if I was just chilling, I would totally use the sweater. But because I'm going to a hair appointment, she's probably gonna be like, What was the practicality in that? Please explain. This little jacket from Boohoo is like terrible quality. Reality, it really is, but it looks so cute. Like it's literally just like a piece of felt. I mean, at least it's finished at the hem, but it's just like a big lapel. It's not anything super warm or anything like that, but this is the look. What do we think? Let's get in with some fragrance and lip. I'm gonna do just this for lip balm. I've been really liking this, and I heard that it's like sold out everywhere now. So I'm happy that I, grabbed it while I could. It's the Fenty Skin Plush Puddin'. I don't know, I like it. I use it at night, but I also will use it during the day because I won't like bring it with me, but it like twists up, so I like that. I've never tried anything else from Fenty Skin. I have some of her makeup, but like I like her gloss, but that's about it. I have her foundation and concealer. I've just honestly never tried it. Okay, lips are on. I need to wipe this somewhere on my robe. Okay, let's go ahead and go in with a fragrance. I'm thinking, I like Ambery Sage. What's Ambery Saffron or Woody Tobacco? Okay, we're gonna go Ambery Saffron by Dossier, which is similar to, or it's like a dupe for Baccarat. Done. What else? I think that's it. So let me zoom so you can see the whole outfit. What do you think? So here we go. I don't love the shoes with this. Like I prefer these as like a summer jean, I've decided, but at least I know that I can style them if I need to. Just a lightweight jacket. Yeah, that's gonna be it. Earrings, ring, all the things are on. I think we're good to go. And like I said, my hair is just gonna be my hair because it doesn't matter because I'm going to get my hair done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this style of video. If you did, let me know. Tell me in the comments down below if you have any other suggestions, anything. I'm so curious to know because I think this style of video will just be fun to just talk about random things while I get dressed. And I feel like it could be a YouTube short instead of like a full video. So we'll try it here and see what it ends up being. But I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!